How to add a vintage effect in Photoshop to an image. Hey there Photoshop enthusiasts! Wanna give your photos a nostalgic and timeless feel? Let's explore how to add a vintage effect to your images using Photoshop in a very cool way. Start by opening the image to which you want to apply the vintage effect in Photoshop. Go to File, then Open and select the image file from your computer. Right-click on the background layer in the Layers panel and select Duplicate Layer. This will create a duplicate layer that will apply the vintage effect to, keeping the original image intact. Go to the Layer menu, then choose New Adjustment Layer and select Photo Filter. In the Photo Filter dialog box, choose the Sepia preset from the drop-down menu. Adjust the intensity slider to control the intensity of the sepia tone. Create a new layer by clicking on the New Layer button at the bottom of the Layers panel. Select the elliptical marquee tool from the toolbar and draw an elliptical selection around the center of the image. Go to Edit, then Fill, and choose black as the fill color. Deselect the selection by using Ctrl D and reduce the opacity of the vignette layer to your liking. Create a Levels Adjustment layer by going to Layer menu, choosing New Adjustment Layer and selecting Levels. Adjust the sliders in the Level Properties panel to enhance the contrast and tonal range of the image, giving it a more vintage look. Create a new layer and fill it with black by going to Edit, then Fill, and choosing black as the fill color. Then go to Filter, then Noise, and add noise, and adjust the settings to add a subtle amount of noise to the image, stimulating the grainy texture of vintage photographs. Fine-tune the vintage effect by adjusting the opacity and blending modes of the layers. You can also experiment with additional adjustment layers and filters to achieve the desired look. Once you're happy with the vintage effect, save your work by going to File, Save As, and choosing the desired file format and location. Bravo! You've successfully added a vintage effect to your image using Photoshop, giving it a nostalgic and timeless vibe. Keep experimenting with different adjustment layers and techniques to create unique and captivating vintage looks for your photos. Happy editing! Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.